Hello everyone, today we are going to make a beautiful sale dashboard. If you push the button, automatically change like this, you are resetting like that. This sale dashboard consists of a multiple section, overview section, detail view, event section. If you want, you can create more. Let's go back to overview again. The key idea of the overview section is timeline, year, month, day, based on your selection, and all related sales figure is changing by timeline. Let's reset it. Now let's have a look at what kind of analysis are in there. The first three boxes show key sale indexes. The next one, main sale distributor, sale trend, delivery cost, customer satisfaction, sale quantity, regional sale amount, top 10 selling product for quantity, and percentage. Let's move on to detail view. Just click here. In this section, it has 5 different categories: product, customer, reason, pay type, and customer review. For example, if you click computer, you are able to see specific product sale trend, sale quantity, pay type, etc. Let's reset it. For customer, if you click the customer, you are able to see a specific customer purchasing history. Reset it again. Lastly, if you click event section, you are able to add in your important information like upcoming sale event, important meeting with your sale distributor, or technical changes, and so on. Let's go back to overview again. Are you ready to create this beautiful sale dashboard? Then let's get started. Once you download practice file, it looks like this: raw data which stabilized it, and also pivot table already created it. As the first step, let's create a new sheet. Just click plus sign here. We can create a new sheet. After that, let's change the sheet name. Go to rename, put overview, enter button. Depending on size of your computer screen, you have to adjust the zoom. Please go to here. In my case is 60% are fit for me. After that, please go to view, remove grid lines. Let's give a color from ABC up to 50. Go to home tab. I will give dark blue color. From D2 row 7 up to AH column, click here. I will give this color. Click here. From here until 44 up to AH. Go to here. I will give this color. Next part, let's give a title of the dashboard. Go to Insert Top, click Shape, go to Rectangle, Rounded Corners, make it like this. You can see yellow dot. Select a yellow dot with the mouse button, drag it like this. Control 1 button, go to Line, select No Line, click Fill. Let's give same color as here, which is dark blue. Select dark blue here. Inside, we give a name of dashboard. Let's call it sale dashboard. Go to home tab. Select middle and middle, 14 points. Font style, I will choose this one. Then make it smaller. Put it here. I will put it here, front. The next part, let's give a small icon inside. For someone who uses Excel 2016 or older version, I prepare a special file for you. I simply put all the icons into sheets. Here, there are a lot of icons you can see. And also here, another icon set you can get for free. Of course, the copyright for all icons are belong to Microsoft. I just prepare for someone who using Excel 2016 or older versions. It took a lot of time, but I hope this file give you a small benefit to use various icons while you're using Microsoft package. Let's go to icon 1. You can take the file which you like to have. I will take this one, for example, Control C. Let's go back, Control V, click graphic format, graphic fill. You can change the color which you prefer. I will go with yellow, make it smaller, and I will put it here inside. Selecting it, select this one again, go to graphic format, align middle, select group, then this become one piece. Below this, I will add company name. In order to make this, we need a text box. Please go to Insert tab, click Shape, select text box, drag it. You can see text box here. In my case, I will put Excel Latte, click middle and middle. Click here, select all, change the font style like this one. Size gonna be 28. Go to shape format, shape field, no field. Shape outline, going to be no outline. Go back to home tab. Font color gonna be yellow. Let's adding logo of a company here. Go to insert tab, click pictures. This device, I will select my logo, this one. Click insert button. Then I got this one. Make it smaller. Put it here. It's okay, but I would like to change the format a bit. Go to Corp here. You can see Corp to shape. Let's go with the circle. It looks nicer now. As next step, let's adding icons here. I prepared 4 items. Put it here. The next step, we are going to create a unique shape here. In order to do that, we need to go back PowerPoint. We need this shape. In order to get that one, go to Insert tab, select this one. If you clicking it, you can see yellow dot. You can control the angle in the corner here. We need another shape, which is rectangle type corner rounded. You can see the yellow dot here. You can control it. In our case, we put the middle here. After that, we put these two together and then grouping it. After creating this one, we create extra square shape again. After that, we put this together, select both of them, click shape format. You can see merge shape. There's multiple things you can do. We need subtract. Then you got that shape. Inside, we put overview. Home tab, make it bold. We need this one. Control C. Go back to Excel. Control V here. Now we are going to use this one into here. So put it here. Make it smaller. Like this. The color has to be same color as here. Go to here. Select this color. Inside font color, let's choose dark blue. Then make it smaller a bit. Put it in line with this one. As a next step, let's create a delivery cost chart here. Go back. In order to do that, we need a pivot table. Let's click pivot sheet here. The relevant pivot table will be column CV and CW. If you put cursor inside of the table, click right hand mouse button, go to show field list. You are able to see how the pivot table is built. In row, we put years, so you can see year. In case of values, I put sum of delivery cost, which bring annual delivery cost for each years. Let's close this part. This part is a target picture. Let's create this shape of a chart. First, put cursor inside of the table. Go to Pivot Table Analyze. You can see Pivot Chart. After that, click Bar Chart. Click Stacked Bar. Click OK again. We have Pivot Chart. Let's click the button with the right hand mouse button. We are able to hide it with click this part. Let's clean up chart element. Click plus sign here. We don't need legend, grid line, chart title. In case of axis, we don't need primary horizontal. Click here, deselecting it. Let's remove outline. Click chart itself. Go to format. Click shape field. No field. Shape outline. No outline. Next part, let's add label. Click the bar. Right hand mouse button. Add data labels. Click the label. Control 1 button. Remove show leader lines. Scroll down a bit. We can change label position. Let's go with the inside and. Now let's change the font color. Click here. I will choose this color. Make it bold. Next part, let's change the color in the bar. Click the bar. Go to Fill and Line. Select Gradient Fill. Scroll down a bit. The first one, I choose blue color. In case of the angle, I put 0. In the end, I put white color. Then we have this beautiful bar chart here. Let's reduce the distance between bars. Click here. Gap width, I will put 115. Enter. Let's update this part as well. Make it bold, make it bigger. As next step, let's adjust the size of it. Clicking it, you can adjusting as you wish it. We complete our first chart. As next step, let's create a slicer for this chart, also for all other charts. Put mouse cursor inside of pivot table. Click Pivot Table Analyze. You can see Insert Slicer. Clicking it. What we need is year, month, and day. Click OK. Already we have 3 of them. Already I prepared 2 personalized slice format. In case of day, I will use style 1. In case of month, I will choose style 2. First one, slice style 1 again. In case of year, we have 3 years. Column number going to be 3. In case of month, let's put it 6 here. So 2 lines. In case of day, let's put it 7 in a week. So like that. Let's make it a bit nicer. Press Ctrl button. Click each of slicers. Go to Slicer. Go to Alignment. Alignment Center. Let's make it bigger. I will put 7.5. Enter. I will shrink down a bit. Make it nicer. Like that. Let's align again. Click it. Slicer. Center. Make a group. Now it becomes one piece of slicers. Let's test it whether it's linked or not. Clicking it, it shows only 2022, 23, 24. Then clear filter means everything going back to original status. So we also complete slicer as well. Press Ctrl button, click slicer and chart, Ctrl X, cut it out, go back to overview sheet, go here, Ctrl V. Let's readjust the location, put it on top, make it smaller, like this. In order to make title of a chart, we can reuse text box in here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, put it here, color going to be black. After that, change the wording here. Let's add in another chart here. That's going to be custom satisfaction index bar chart. Go back. Let's go back to pivot sheet. Click here. The relevant column going to be column CHCI. I already calculated it. In addition, I create the supporting cells. The first one is this part, average of the years. The next part, I create this part. This part will use it for 3D bar chart. Let's create this bar chart. First thing is select these ranges. Go to Insert tab, Recommended chart. Go to All chart, select bar. Go to second one, Stack bar. Select right hand side one, click OK. We have this one. Let's change the color. Go to change color. You can choose what you like. In my case, I will go with this one. Let's give 3D effect. First, select one of the piece. Go to effect. Go to 3D format. I will choose round. Then I got this color. In same manner, I continue to make it. Next, let's clean up chart element, clicking it. Chart title, grid line, legend is no need. The next part, let's add in the arrow related part into the chart. Select this arrow location value, Ctrl C, select entire cell, Ctrl V. Then you can see something added on top, which we don't want to have it. So select the added one. Let's choose secondary exit. Gap width going to be 0 and enter. The other part, we are going to add arrow width as well. Selecting it, Ctrl C. Select this one, Ctrl V. Then we have a new color is added. The next step, as you can see, ranges are different between primary and secondary. Let's make it consistently. Click this one, put 0 and below 1.025 and enter. Above 1, consistently 0, 1.025, enter. Now this part is not needed. Click this one only. Go to fill and line, no fill, selecting it. Let's remove above axis, clicking it. Scroll down a bit. You can see labels. Scroll again. Let's select none, then disappearing. Let's remove outside frame, clicking it. Go to format, shape field, no field. Shape outline, no outline. Now let's add in arrow into the chart. As reference, I made it this one. You can choose different one as well. Let's go with this arrow in this example. First, Ctrl C, this one. Select the bar here, Ctrl V. Automatically it changed it. Let's make it nicely. Shrink it a bit like this way. It looks very nice. Let's update this part as well. Click here, click right hand mouse button, go to select data, click add here. You can choose the name which you want to have. In my case, customer satisfaction cell. Clicking it, we having it, click OK. Now I want to remove the line here. Click this part. Line, click no line as well. Then click here, make it bold, and you can change the color which you preferred here as well. So we complete this part. Let's take it this one, Ctrl X, go to overview sheet, Ctrl V here, close it, then put it on top and also make it nicely In the same manner, text box, Control C, Control V. Here going to be customer satisfaction. Let's test it whether it's linked with the slicer. If I select it, it's moving. It's not moving. The reason is it's not linked with the pivot table. Let's fix it. Click here, go to slicer, report connections. You are able to see many different pivot tables. Simply we link all of them. Then it will automatically linked. Okay. In same manner, select month, go to slicer, apply, same rule again. Now let's test it whether it's working. So the bar is here also moving. Now we complete customer satisfaction index bar as well. The next chart going to be this main sale distribution chart. Through pivot sheet, the relevant column going to be column J, K up to Q. In here, what we are going to do is if the sale distribution is the largest, then color going to be different. Therefore, we have to create extra supporting cells. If you look at the table, first these two are location of the sale distribution. In here, showing maximum value of sale channel. In column Q is the other way around. On the bottom, which is 90%, this showing the orange circle donut chart here. From here to here, selecting it, go to Insert Top, select Recommended Chart, go to All Chart, Scatter Plot, click right hand side, click OK. Click the chart, go to Format, let's put them into, let's say 10, here 10 as well. Let's clean up chart element. We don't need grid line. We don't need chart title. Also, we don't need axis. Let's remove outline. Go to shape field, no field, shape outline, no outline. The next part, we have to give size. Therefore, we need to change scatter plot into bubble chart. Clicking it, click right hand mouse button, change chart type. You can go to bubble chart, click this one, click OK. In order to remove confusion, I will cut it out, this part, put it somewhere else. Let's put it here, Control V. So now take it again, put it back here. The next step, we have to give this value into bubble chart. Let's clicking it. Here, click right hand mouse button, select the data. First, let's select this one, click add. This is going to be our max value. In case of bubble size, we are selecting from here to here. Click OK. Now we are creating next one. Click add, click not max. X value going to be this one. Y value going to be this one. Bubble size going to be this one. Click OK. Click OK. The next one, let's make same color as background. In this one, going to be orange. Control 1. Fill and line. Solid color. Let's go with orange. Let's click the other bubbles. Go to fill and line again. Solid fill. Let's click this one. Border, no line. Let's edit labels. Clicking it, click add data labels, click the labels, click label options. Actually, we need bubble size, right? Then we don't need this and that one, but we need the sale channel names. Click here. Let's select this. Click OK. Separator. Let's go with new lines. Maybe it's better put them into below, right? Scroll down, go to below. In same manner, I will apply for max one as well. Let's make it bold. Control B, Control V. As the next step, let's create inside donut chart. Click here. Let's move it in this corner. First thing, we have to create the circles. Go here, shapes, click over. Then go to here. Let's choose this one. Shape format. Here we give 3.5. Here 3.5. Control C, Control V. Let's give 5 and 5. Next step, by using these two values, we are creating donut chart. Go to Insert Tab. Click here. You can see donut chart. First, let's remove chart title and legend. Go to Format, Shape Fill, No Fill, Shape Outline, No Outline. Size gonna be 5 and 5. What we're going to do is let's remove the line, Control 1, go to Fill and Line, Border, no line. Double click only this part, no fill. Click the other part. Let's give orange color. Now we combining them all. So first it's behind. Put it here, go to front, and it's working. This one, go here front. This one, go here. That looks good. Press Ctrl button, select 3 of them. Go to Shape Format, Align, Center, Middle. Click Group. So we make nice donut chart here. Close it. So this value is linked with this input. If you put 50%, it's changing it. And at the moment, I just use it as decoration. The next part, let's put the link between scatterplot and donut chart. So I put this one into here. I will make it a bit bigger. 12 and 12. Maybe let's make it in size smaller. 4 and 4. Let's make a line with bubble chart and donut chart. Go to Insert Tab, Shape, select this one, and clicking it. And you can see the dots here. We make it link. Then you go with the center of the circle. The next step, Control 1 button. We are in Format Shape. Scroll down, select Begin Arrow Type. Let's choose this one. Then we have dot here, but our starting going to be white color, ending going to be blue. Let's give gradient line, clicking it. So in case of this one, I give this color. The other angle, I give light blue. Control C, Control V. Now we are going to link the other one as well. So center. After that, you link with the dots here and make it center of the circle. In same manner, I will do the rest of 3. The next step, now I'm going to grouping it. Press Ctrl button, select them all. So we have one big package. Ctrl X. Let's go to Overview Sheet. Ctrl V here. A little bit good idea to have background color. So go to Insert, Shapes, select this rectangle. Let's add in here. No line. Color going to be same as here. So let's select this one and send to back. let's give more effect. Click this inside, then reducing the size to around 3. Let's test it whether it's working. And this one is working, and it's working. Let's group them. Let's select it, grouping it with outside. Go to group, click group here. So now this become one piece. The next part, we are going to give the value inside. That's going to be this value, which is total sale amount. In order to do that, we need a text box. Let's use it, this one. Control C, Control V. Remove inside. Click here, formula bar. Go to pivot sheet. In column A, you can find the value here. But when you put it like long lengthy formula, you can see. So you click here, then put 2 manually and enter button. Then you got this value. You put it, bring to front. You add it on top here, bold and bigger. Color going to be this one. On the bottom, I create total sale amount, and let's put it inside here, grouping them again in same manner. We'll close this one. The next part, let's create top 10 selling product for quantity and percentage. Let's go back. Let's go to pivot sheet. The relevant one gonna be column AA to AC. And then I create the supporting table, which is automatically sorting from 1 to 100. I will use this table to make the first and second chart. Let's start with quantity part first. I will select these two values. Go to Insert Top Recommended Chart. Go to All Chart, Line Chart. Select line with markers. Click OK. Then we have a chart. Let's clean up chart element. We don't need grid line. Chart title. In case of axis, we don't need vertical. Go to Format, Shape Field, no outline. I will move a bit here. Then let's click the line here, Control 1. Click Fill and Line. In case of line, we don't need line. Now we have to create the line from dot to the bottom. In order to do that, just click Chart Element here, click Error Bars. The next part, let's select the error bar here. Select minus, no cap, go to percentage, put 100% and enter. The next part, let's make it nicely. Click the dot here, go to fill and line, go to markers, click marker option, build to end. Then we extend it like 12. Solid fill, I will choose orange color. For border for the marker, solid line, let's go with blue color here. Then I will extend it 2.25. Click again, click right hand mouse button, add data label. Select the data label, put above, make it bold, bottom, make it bold, bigger a bit, and like that. So we complete this part. Control X, go to overview, come here, Control V. So we complete this part. You can see they are overlapping somehow. To solve this part, you see plot area, you can drag it down. Then the issue is gone now. Let's check whether it's working. Yes, it's working now. Let's add label on top. So I will put it here. Before move on next chart, I will create this label first for speed up. Now let's create top 10 selling product by percentage. Let's go to pivot sheet. The relevant area will be column AF to AI. Let's select the range first. Go to recommended chart, all charts, tree map, click OK. Click chart element, remove chart title legend. Click the chart again, go to format, shape field, no field, shape outline, no outline. I will move a bit here, make it bigger. Let's change the color inside. Chart design, change colors. Let's choose this color. Let's change the label inside. Select this label. Control 1 button. Let's move a bit. In our case, we need values. Then we have values. The next one, we need name of a product. In order to get that one, we have to updating our data set. Click the chart. Click right hand mouse button. Select the data. Click add button. Select product area here. Click OK. Click OK. Click the label again. Click label options. Label options again. Separator, new lines. Let's emphasize a bit. Control B, make it bold. Control X, go to overview sheet. Select the location. Control V. Close it here. Adjust the size. We complete this part. Now let's create total trend sale chart. Let's go to pivot sheet. The relevant area will be column AX to AZ. Put mouse cursor inside of the table. Go to pivot table analyze. Select pivot chart. Let's go to combo chart. The first one will be line with markers. Second one, stacked area. Click OK. Now click area, right hand mouse button. Nothing happened. In this case, go to pivot chart analyze. Fill button area. Select hide all. Click the chart again. Click plus sign. Let's remove legend, grid line, axis. Click arrow here. Remove vertical only. Click again. Go to format. Select shape field, no field. Shape outline, no outline. Let's put it here somewhere. Click the area. Control 1 button. Fill and line. Click fill. Solid fill. Color gonna be, I will choose this color. Now select the dots here inside. Fill and line again. Click marker. Marker options. Go to built-in. I will put 10. Scroll down a bit. Solid fill. It will be same color. Scroll down. In case of border of marker, solid line. Let's go with black color. Width gonna be 2 point. Let's select line. Fill in line again. Solid line. Black. Width going to be 2.25. Select bottom. Go to Home tab. Font color going to be blue. Make it bold. Let's add label. Click the dot here. Click right hand mouse button. Add data label. Click the data label. Control 1 button. We don't need show little lines. Scroll down a bit. Let's put it above. I will make it a bit bigger. Selecting it here. Control B, make it bold. Color going to be blue. Select here, Control X. Let's go to overview. Close it here. Select here, Control V. I will adjust the size. Now we complete this part as well. Let's move on total sale quantity. The target picture will be look like this. Let's go back. Let's go to pivot sheet. The relevant area will be column BF and BG. Put mouse cursor inside. Go to pivot table analyze, pivot chart. Let's select this one. Click OK. Go to pivot chart analyze. Click here, hide all. The idea is similar as before, so I will speed it up. Next part, let's give a color inside. Click the bar, Control 1 button, line and fill, select gradient field. Our aim will be, here is blue color, on the bottom will be white color. Let's select this one. Color going to be blue. Select this one. Color going to be white. This one, make it a bit thicker, like this way. Select the bar again. Click right hand mouse button, add data label. Selecting it, make it bold. Let's click the bottom. Control B. Color going to be black. Selecting it again, Control X. Let's go to overview. Close it here. Let's put it here, Control B. Adjusting the size. We complete total sale quantity as well. The last chart for this sheet will be this chart here. Let's create it. Let's go back. Let's move to pivot sheet. The relevant area will be column BM to column BZ. For this chart, we will use this input data set. Select the area, insert tab, recommended charts, all chart, pie chart, donut chart. Select this one, click OK. Go to format. Let's print 12. Here also 12. Chart element, remove chart title, legend for now. Click again, shape field, no field. Shape outline, no outline. Let's put cursor inside. Control 1 button. For donut hole size, let's put it 22%. Next, let's remove the line inside. Go to fill and line, border, no line. Select the first one, border, no line. Here, no line. Here, no line. Let's remove unnecessary part. Click one time means all 4 pieces are selecting it. If you click one more time, only one piece are selecting it. Then go to fill and line. In fill, select no field. In same manner, we continue to do until here. I will do it quickly. Next part would be, let's give a color inside. Selecting it, go to fill and line, gradient field. In this case, I will select the first one. I will give dark blue. I would like to add one more gradient stop. And I will move this one a bit. In this one, blue color. Do it same thing up to here. Click one more time. Fill and line, gradient field. Let's do it second set. The idea is almost the same. But when you're looking at the angle, it's a bit incorrect. So let's change it, the angle a bit. I will put 180. It looks nicer. In case of color, I will change a bit here to white for visibility. I will do the next one. I will change the angle degree. I will put 270 here. This one also 270 degree. Now the last one. So we complete the frame of the chart. Let adding data label inside of the chart. Click outside, first one only. Click right hand mouse button, add data label, selecting it. In this case, you have to click one more time like this. After that, remove show leader lines, select category name, go to separator, new line, and select again. Click right hand mouse button, change data label shape. You can choose what you like. I will go with bubble over cases. Put it somewhere outside. Field color going to be dark blue. Font color going to be white color. The next step is adding 3 labels in same manner. I will speed up. Now we complete this chart as well. Control X, overview sheet, close it here, select cursor here, Control V, adjust the size of a chart. We complete all the charts in this sheet. Let's adding summary index on top here. The target picture will be these 3 boxes. Let's go back. Insert tab, shape, select this top corner rounded rectangle and put it 90 degree. Control 1, no line, Control C, Control V, the other direction, and the yellow dot, you can shrink it like this, put it together. Solid color will be white color, or you can choose different color. And select these two, align middle, make group it. Then you also adjust the size as you wishes. The next part, select this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select inside, change the color as you wish. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select inside, and select 3 of them. Alignment, align middle, distribute horizontally. And we can edit the text box and the number which we create like that. I will make it quickly because we done this before. And let's edit on top. Now we complete the whole chart in this sheet. Before moving to next step, let's check all charts are correctly linked. It looks like everything is correctly working. Let's create another sheet. In order to speed up, I will copy current overview sheet. After that, I will update the sheet. First, go to sheet name area, click right hand mouse button, move or copy, select create a copy, put here, click OK. Then we have duplicated sheet here. Let's change the name, enter button. Let's update the wording. This one go above, the other one go down. If you look at it, now these two are different. The next part, if we click here and automatically moving to the expected sheet, in order to do that, we need link. For example, for overview, click here, click right hand mouse button, go to link, select this one. We want to go to overview sheet. So select overview, location will be cell A1. Click OK. Let's test it whether it's working or not. It's working. In same manner, I want to go to detail sheet. Now I will add another link. Go to link, go to detail, select OK. Let's test it. In the same manner, we can also create event and reference sheet as well. In this tutorial, I will create up to event sheet. This part is already done, so I will speed it up. In the same manner, I will add link as well. Let's check how it works. So it's perfectly working now. Before moving to next step, I will show you how to lock your dashboard. In our case, these are the moving ones and also slicer, the rest one is not moving. Therefore, in case of these ones, Control 1 button, go to Properties. Make sure it has to be unlocked, but select Don't Move or Size with Cells. Second part, let's make the rest is locked. Select one of them, Control A button. All of them are selecting it. After that, pressing Control button, deselect the slicer and buttons. Next, go to Property. It has to be locked, and then Don't Move or Size with Cells. Close it. Now let's protect the sheet. Go to Review tab. Go to Protect Sheet. Clicking it. Then first give your password. After that, deselect locked cells. Click OK. OK. Let's test it. If you click slicer, it's moving. And also, location is changing without any issue. However, if you click any chart, you are not allowed to change any of these values. Therefore, I can say our dashboard is well protected. Next step, let's resize the size of the sheet. Please go to the end. Let's say we don't want to show from column AG and afterward. Click the here. Entire column is selecting it. Control Shift right side direction key. It allows to select all of them. Click right hand mouse button. Select hide. You can see in this area, all column is disappearing. Now I put the mouse cursor here somewhere and move to the end. Let's go back again. You cannot see anymore. In same manner, you can apply below for rows. Let's start from 45, selecting it, Control Shift direction down key, right hand mouse button, hiding it. The below part also disappearing. Now you have a perfect resized sheet for overview. Now let's move on next sheet, which is detail view. Click here. First, let's remove unnecessary chart. Press Control button. Select this one, here, here, here. Press Delete button. In here, we are going to create new slicers. Target picture will be like this, 5 new slicers. Go back. In order to do that, let's go to Pivot Sheet. Put mouse cursor inside of a pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Analyze. Select Insert Slicer, Product, Pay Type, Customer, reason, customer review, click OK. In case of pay type, customer review, put it here. Let's change the slicer style, clicking it here. In case of a pay type, I will go column 3. In case of customer overview, I will put 7. Press Control button, select this one. Height going to be 2. Width going to be 15.3. Line center. I will make a group. Now I will edit these 3 on top of this group. I will do it quickly. Before group them, let's connect correctly. Click slicer again, report connection. As you can see, it doesn't select here, excepting one. Let's link with other tables as well. Just simply clicking them, then it's done. Click OK. In same manner, I will apply for the rest of 4 as well. Let's make one group. Now it become one piece. Control X, go to detail sheet, Control V here. So the differences between overview and detail view is following. In case of overview, our main focus is depending on timeline. You can looking at year, months, and day, how the figures are changing it. For detail view, we are focusing on 5 different aspects: product, customer, reasons, and so on. For example, if you click the bulb, you can see how the bulbs are selling, customer, reason, payment type, and customer review. Or you can have a look at the debit card, how debit cards are paying. Or you can apply on top of 70% cases where it happened. That happened in ring, customer name is BBB, reason will be 2. Let's reset it. The next part, I'm going to create a new chart here. The target picture will be this one, total sale by payment type. Let's go back. Let's go to pivot sheet. The relevant area will be column DG and DH. Put cursor inside. Go to pivot table analyze, pivot chart, select pie chart, donut chart, click OK. Click right hand mouse button, hide all field button on chart, plus sign, deselect chart title and lesson. Click here, format, size going to be 9 and 9. Click inside, Control 1, donut hole size going to be 45. Fill and line, border, no line. Go to design, change colors. I will choose this one. Click right hand mouse button, add data label. Click here, label options. Deselect show leader lines, adding category name. Separator going to be new line. Home tab, white color, make it bold, increasing the size of it. Click again, format, shape field, no field, shape outline, no outline. Select Ctrl X, detail view, close it here, Ctrl B, change it like this one. Now we complete detail view as well. For protection dashboard, which is the same as overview, so I will skip that part. Next step, let's create event sheet. Go to event sheet. What we are going to do is we are going to keep this left-hand side and one of the box. The rest will be removing it. For quick removing, let's do it following way. Select one of the item. After that, Control A button. All items are selecting it. After that, we deselect which we want to keep. In order to do that, press Control button, deselect the item which you want to keep. Press delete button. All other item is got now. Put this into below. Next, I want to make more space here. Control C, select this 3, Control V, put somewhere here, shape format, 5.3, 35, enter. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Press Control button, select the other two, align left, align, distribute vertically. Next, depending on your upcoming event, you can select the icon which you want to have. Let's go to icon file. I will select this one, Control C, go back, here, Control V, graphic format, 4.3, automatically below one are changing it. Click right hand mouse button, bring to front, click again, alignment, light middle, group it. Now we can add text here. You can also change the color, graphic format, graphic fill. You can select the color which you prefer. I will go with purple. Also, you can change the color behind. Click only the box. Click here. You can select the color which you prefer. Below, you can also change the color. For these boxes, I will change with orange color. The last one, let's go with dark blue. We can also add 2 more icons. I already prepared these two. 4.5, 4.5. Also adding text here as well. On the left side, I want to add in photo. Go to Insert tab, Shape. I will select this one. Control 1 button. Line, no line. Field. Go to Picture or Texture field. Click Insert from a file. I will take this one. Insert button. Next part, a little bit of a transparency. Go to Effect, Soft Edge, Preset, select this one, reducing the size, close it here, Control 1 again. So we complete event section as well. One thing I forgot is whenever we go relevant sheet, the icon going to be highlighted. So let's do it this part. Click here, go to graphic format, graphic field. Let's go with yellow. Detail view, click here, graphic field, select orange color. Same for overview. Check again. So we complete our sales dashboard.